Triumph Motorcycles have introduced a new Bobber TFC cruiser to their range, limited to 750 bikes worldwide at a price of £17,195 on the road. This new Triumph will go on sale in early 2025, and the bookings of the bike can be done through a dedicated website. The TFC, which stands for Triumph Factory Custom, is based on the road-going standard 13,195-pound Bonneville Bobber, but comes treated with new gloss carbon fiber bodywork, a two-tone gold and black finish, and a retuned version of its 1,200 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine for more bite lower in the revs. Featuring a pair of slash-cut Acropovic exhaust silencers for good measure, there's now a more aggressive engine map, with the claimed 76.9 brake horsepower of peak power now arriving 100 rpm lower at 6,000 rpm. The 1,200 cubic centimeters SOHC twin engine is also found in the Speed Twin 1200, Scrambler 1200, Bonneville T120, and Bonneville Speedmaster, with the Thruxton leaving Triumph's lineup at the end of 2024. There's also a new sport riding mode to complement the road and rain options, plus traction control, and rear lights integrated into the indicator stalks to remove the need for a central bulb. Up front there's a 19 inches wheel. Alongside the performance, you get twin 4-piston Brembo M50 radial calipers and 310mm discs, plus a Brembo master cylinder, and Öhlins 43mm NAX30 upside-down forks offering full adjustment and 90mm of wheel travel. At the back end, there's a single shock, adjustable for preload and rebound with 77mm of travel. There has been a change in the overall riding ergonomics of the bike as well, and the company has given it a clip-on handlebar, which has made it more like a cafe racer. Away from the performance, owners will also find hand-painted marble gold elements on the tank and side panels, with the underside of 9-liter fuel tank hand-signed on by the artist that painted it. Other touches further include an embossed leather seat, carbon fiber mudguard stays, gold fork lowers, billet machined engine cover badges, and even a gold chain.